Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We are unboxing something a little different, a docking station from Tlyard that's way more than just a charger. Stay tuned because you're going to appreciate this one. Included in the box is the 𝐁𝐔𝐒𝐈𝐍𝐄𝐒, a plug with a transponder which will bring this accessory to life. More on that in a bit. Also included is this L-shaped USB to connect to the Tesla's center console and a good old handy pry tool for installation. Installation is super easy. It's a 10-minute job. Just remove the bottom cover behind the rear air vent. It's held by clips, so use the pry tool, which is the only time you're going to need it. Disconnect the blue plug and bypass it with the included cable connected to the transponder. This lets the dock's buttons communicate with the Tesla functions. Now let's move to the front. Connect the USB-C to the dock's back. Route any USB cables through this pass-through hole for extra charging options. Slide the dock between the cup holder and the sliding door. You're done with the installation now. The space gray finish matches perfectly to the Tesla's gray console. Now for the front part, these buttons. Long press the left button and the side mirrors open or close. Super handy in tight spots. Now this is really handy because you don't really have to go through menus to actually go to an option. It's right at your fingertips. Just imagine naturally you keep your arm on your armrest and your fingers are all close to the docking station. So it seems natural that you would have buttons there that would be convenient for some of the most common things you use. Double-click the middle button and the overhead lights can be turned on. No more groping in the dark to find the lights because now you have these illuminated buttons on the dock. A long press on the same middle button opens the glove box. No need to navigate again on the screen for that option. Now for the rightmost button, not my favorite because I can't figure out its use. Double click and the front passenger door opens. Not completely, it just opens a little bit. Long pressing the same button will pop the rear right door. If you have figured out what the use case for this might be, let me know. You also have an auto switch on off as a light source for the console storage area, which is pretty handy. So that's the Tlyard docking station for you. Beyond charging, it adds a meaningful functionality to your Tesla with a simple plug-and-play setup. I do wish these buttons were customizable, but I'm hoping brands like Tlyard are considering something like this in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay subscribed, hit the like button, and I'll catch you in my next video.